2,000 years later.
Mga kaprok, panibagong vlog at panibagong araw. Andito tayo sa North EDSA, sa Toby Sport. Mag-update lang tayo dito mga kaprok. Ayan, nakaka-search pa rin sila. Ayan, samahan nyo ako mga kaprok. Tayo mga kaprok, ayan, napakarami mga naka-read. Ayan, mga naka-search yan. Iba-ibang pa mga discounted mga kaprok. Hanggang 50% off. Ayan, start na tayo. Ito meron dito mga palaro ng basketball, Jordan. 20% off naman ito mga kapukay na 20% off. Jordan Max Aura 6 Fly. Price nito yan 5,916 pesos ang price nito mga kapukay. 20% off. Bali ito tatlong kulay ito black blue. Ito yung naman ng black white ng kombinasyon. Ito yung red white na kombinasyon. 30% off naman ang kanito discount nito. Jordan Max Aura 6 30% off. Price ito ayan 4,437 pesos ang price. Meron din itong isa naman nito na black color black. Price 4,437 pesos ng price niya. Jordan dito mga kapro, ang laro rin ng basketball. Maganda yung pagkakombinasyon ng white saka black. Still loyal Jordan Fly. Price na ngayon 4,476 pesos and 50 centavos. Ito ibang colorway naman ng light blue saka white naman ang kalito. Naka 30% ito mga kapatid. Jordan Stay Loyal 3 naman ito. Size 8 30% off. 5,116 pesos ang price niya. 5,116 pesos ang price. Ito marami naman naka-raid naka-sell. Dito yung LeBron James yung orange. So ganda rin ng colorway niya. Naka 30% off naman ito. 30% off LeBron James. Ang ganda na pa ilalim niya. Makulay. Colorway. Maganda ng colorway niya. Makulay ang buhay. Ayan. 2,198 pesos naman ang price. Dami siya kulay. Ito meron black pa. Ito meron pinaka parang beige ang kulay niya. Blue. Ito naman naka 20% naman to. Ito kulay black na ito. Price naman 3,297 pesos. 20% off. Panglaro ng basketball. Ito kulay beige. Ganda ng kulay colorway niya. Jordan 10% off naman to. Price naman ito 2,747 pesos and 50 centavos na ang price. Ito another na kay Lebron 21 white Ersom. Ganda ng tela nyo. Nakakon lang ito. Hindi siya naka regular price. Price nito 10,895 ang price niya. Regular price. Ito Nike na JT. JT3 03. 30% off, ayan. Maganda rin yung kanang kanya, style niya. Simple lang. 30% off. May pag-ilalim niya, oh. Price 6,177 naman ang price niya. Ito, kwanto JT Academy. Big size to, nakaka naman to, 10% off. Ayan. Maganda rin yung colorway niya. Ang price naman, no? 3,996 pesos na ang price. 10% off. Kahit meron dito, ito JT Hassel. Naka 30% off. Magaan siya. Price nito, 6,177 pesos. 6,170 pesos na lang. Another na JT Cut Academy. Naka 30% off. Price 3,496 pesos and 50 centavos. Ito kung big size to ng Air Max Impact. $2,877 na lang ang price ito. Ayan. Air Max Impact. Ito naka 30% itong J1, 30% off. 4,137 pesos ang price nito. May JRS ito yun. Giannis Immortality. Naka-search din to. Price niya, 3,436 pesos na lang. Maganda rin ang kanang X-step. Paglaro rin ng basketball. Maganda rin ang style niya. 3,426 pesos and 50 centavos ang price.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.